Hey guys, I'm just gonna make a quick video for you here because I've actually been having a lot of problems myself with my Android S9 device, and it's actually been shutting off at random times, and it was very hard to actually isolate the problem. But after a little bit of research, I got it done, so I just want to share that information with you. So one main thing you can do in order to test out what is wrong with your S9 device is hold your power button down. This will pop up your screen that enables you to power off your phone. Tap the power off button. This will switch your screen to another power off key. Hold the power off button and it will show green for safe mode. And it says tap again for you to restart your phone and put it back into safe mode. So from here, just put into safe mode. What you're going to want to do is just wait for a little bit, reboot it, and then use your app as normally. Go to the specific things, essentially, that would be shutting off your phone. For me, myself personally, it was whenever my phone started dimming, it would shut off. So I actually pressed the button on the side just to close my phone and turn it back on. And what you're doing here is testing out different functions to see what could it possibly be. See, when you go onto safe mode, it actually disables all your third-party applications. If you are able to use your phone successfully with no problems at all in safe mode, of course with the limitation of applications that you can't use, if that's the case, then you know that there's some sort of third application on your phone that could possibly be screwing with your phone's ability to stay on. Not quite sure why, but some apps maybe they have their firmware kind of screwed up and it can't communicate with your phone properly. Anyways, from here, just reflect. If this is the problem, reflect on it, restart your phone, restart it to normal, reflect on what you downloaded recently, and start deleting apps one at a time to see what could possibly be the culprit in your phone not working properly. Second, this one took me a while to find out, a lot of digging through the research online and such. And what was found was that a lot of people noticed that the fingerprint scanner, something was wrong with that. Something wasn't operating right about that, and that was a key sign for them to test it. And what we found out here is that the key sensor, for some reason, maybe after long terms of use, when you press it, it for some reason shuts off your phone. So this one's hard to identify because especially with your screen actually just dimming, you go to open your phone with your screen scanner, and for all you know, this is when you're actually shutting your phone off. So how I fixed this, of course, was I just went into settings, went to the screen scanner, the finger scanner, sorry, and pressed disable, just disabled it completely. And after disabling it, my phone started working correctly. Another cool little trick. So the third thing that it could be also is that the battery, the function that measures the battery could actually be corrupt. So you know when you're at like 5% and you're using your phone and then all of a sudden your phone shuts off, that's your phone trying to basically save itself by like overworking itself because it has no juices left and it has no more capacity to operate. So this could be a calibration issue somewhere within the battery's metric system. I don't know. I'm not that great with phones, but I do know how to analyze the situation. So, anyways, the battery itself is having trouble actually communicating that it is fine to the actual phone itself. So in order to make sure that this function itself is working okay, go up to settings, go to the battery section of your phone, go to the power saver mode section, and actually press maximize all functions. Make sure your phone is operating with the consideration that it is not going to die soon. This will make your phone believe and think that it is okay and will allow it to not shut itself off more often than not. There's a lot of other different things that this problem could be, depending on the level of equation that you're at. I once had a phone that, an Android phone that would shut off at constant periods of time and just keep shutting down and rebooting, shutting down and rebooting, shutting down and rebooting. This is a whole separate problem that could be with firmware or something in the actual mechanics or maybe water damage of the phone. However, one main thing you can do to test this out if you're having this specific problem is use your phone until there's absolutely no battery left. Once there's no battery left, you have to make sure your phone is completely off. Then you hold the power key and the down volume function, and just hold it and hold it and hold it. You'll see your phone keep trying to boot up and die, boot up and die. What you're doing here is draining every single last ounce of energy out of your battery. It's almost like a hard reboot itself in terms of having like all the electrons wake back up and operate properly. So hold that down for as long as it takes for you to completely drain your phone, and after that, charge it back up and give it a try. If that doesn't work, I'm pretty sure, guys, the last resort thing is to do a full system reboot itself. You can actually Google that online to figure out how to do that, but just a reformatting of your phone as you would do with a computer. After trying this out, if your phone is still rebooting, I'm sorry to say, guys, but it is time. It is time for you to get a new phone. Something is wrong with your hardware. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need any more tips like that, leave a comment below. You can message me directly. I'm a very fantastic artist in the art of research and figuring things out. Make sure you hit that bell notification buttons. I have videos coming up all the times. Everything to do with helping you, help me, help you. Anyways, guys, remember, stay focused, make it happen, trust the process, and good luck.